Welcome to a lesson about the area of a triangle. This is the formula for the area of a triangle. Half times base times height. Note that the height must be perpendicular to the base. Now let's look at the word perpendicular. That means right angle. So it's like this, right angle. Okay, little right angle. Let's look at two examples. With the first example, there's a triangle. One side is 7, the other side is 4. Well, we know that the area of a triangle is half times base times height, so we've got to use that formula. Now let's set aside as the base. Okay, I'll make it green. Let's say that 4 is the base. So then if 4 is the base, then the height must be 7. Okay, now let's quickly check whether they're perpendicular to each other. Now, there's the right angle there, so they've got to be perpendicular to each other. Okay, so let's use the formula. Area equals half times the base, which is 4, times the height, which is 7. So if we simplify that, I'm just going to do the half times 4 first, which is 2. So 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay, now it's also important to write the unit, which is centimeter squared. Now you can also note that if you rotate this triangle to make 7 the base, then the height would be 4. If we use the same formula, it would be half times 7 times 4, which will also be 14. Now let's look at the second example. Now I should add a little bit of information here that if we extend this line, then this is also a right angle. Okay, so now let's have a go at the question. The base I'm going to do in green. So the base here is, or the bottom of this triangle is 16. Okay, let's use this as the base. So if that's the base, well, with the height, we're only given one other length, which is the 7. So let's try using this as the height. Let's double check that they're perpendicular to each other. So I wrote that right angle there earlier. So then the blue and green lines are perpendicular. Now we just use the formula. Area equals half times the base, which is 16, times the height, which is 7. Now, this is equal to half times 16 is 8. Then we times the 7, so it's 56 centimeter square. So here are two examples. Now it's your turn to do some questions. Okay, here are 3 exercises for you to do. Thanks for listening. I hope this lesson is useful for you.